Now we have all the basic tools we need installed on our machine. Let's start with Hadoop. So let's first download it using wget utility which we installed earlier. So let's open the terminal, go to a user local directory. Why we are installing everything in user local directory is because if you have multiple users on your machine, if you install something in this directory, then it will be available to other users also. And it is a good place to keep everything organized at one place. So let's go to this directory, user local, and then we are gonna do sudo wget this path. Let me copy this. All right, so and enter. It will ask you your user password. So once you do that, it will install. Basically, it's downloading as of now the Hadoop version 2.7.3, and it's a bit slow. So let me pause video here, and once it's downloaded, I will start again. All right, so it's almost done. We are at 96% now. So just a quick recap about Hadoop. So what Hadoop is, it's also an open source, and it's a Java-based programming framework that supports processing and storage of extremely large data sets in a distributed computing environment. So what it means is that it can handle petabytes or maybe more bytes of data and also process that data using its processing engine such as MapReduce. It comes with its own storage unit which is commonly called as Hadoop distributed file system, and in later lessons when we do some hands-on exercises on Elasticsearch and integrating Hadoop with Elasticsearch, we'll also do an exercise on using MapReduce to send or receive data from Hadoop to Elasticsearch and vice versa. So now we have Hadoop tar file downloaded. So what a tar file is, it's basically an archive file. If we have an application which is distributed across various files, various source files, and directory structure, and we want to maintain that structure, then tar is an ideal way of distributing such applications. And Hadoop, when we look into it, we'll see that it has various directories, various files, and we want to maintain that structure for application to run as expected. So now we have the tar file downloaded, and it's a big file, so it may take a while on your machine. It's zipped also, so we need to untar it, means move it to its normal state into a directory, and from there we can configure it and use all its processes. So let's see, we have this tar file. So I have this tar downloaded. Now I can untar this using command sudo tar xbzf and hadoop and the version number tar.zz. So when I run this command, it will untar it and put it in a directory with the same name as Hadoop 2.7.3.tar, and I can rename that directory to something simpler, something just say Hadoop, like I'm doing here. So I already have done it. Let me open this directory and show you. So you can see we have a couple of directories, and in them we have a number of files. So I'll show you in next video how to configure Hadoop so we can run it on our machine.